Okay, so I pulled the seat out, or I did it because mine doesn't work very well. I think it goes back and never returns. So I pulled the seat out. The only thing I did is remove the 4 screws underneath, because there's 4 screws that hold this. It drops down nicely, so you have complete access to the top. And I don't know if I'll be able to get these with the tools I have, but there are tools you'll be able to get in here without doing more. I know it's looking at my hand. This is not springing back, so I'm gonna say this is the problem. I can't start it in park. This is not, it's not springing back. It goes down and barely comes up. So it's either the pin isn't driving it or this is binding. So good fun. Take that out and we'll see which it is.